outside St. Vincent de Paul. Families lined up here to get their hands on that free Thanksgiving meal. Take a look behind me. You can see that line stretching all the way down Bank Street. It goes around the corner. The woman first in line, she's been here since 10 o'clock this morning. You can see a lot of those folks bundled up. They have blankets as well. A lot of them have been waiting here since very early this morning or late last night. Leaders say the need, it's definitely growing. Request for food assistance is actually up 17% from what it was last year, and all year long, local organizations and schools have been putting on food drives on behalf of St. Vincent de Paul, and students from LaSalle and dozens of volunteers will be on hand to help give out food today. So if you do need a little extra help this holiday, here's what you need to know. Come out to the West End Outreach Center. The address on your screen. In order to get this free meal, you will have to show your photo ID, and there is a limit. However, one meal per family. The doors open at 9 o'clock this morning. So once again, if you are in need of a little help this season, this is where you need to go today. Reporting live, Zach Pitts, 9 on your side.